Hello students, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shabana and I have started this channel to help students studying IGCSE mathematics, and here I am with a difficult question from past paper 22 from year 2023 February March, question number 20. So let us solve this question using all the steps clearly, and I want to make you clear with each and every step in this question. So let me start. The question says, find the nth term of each sequence. Now this is one of the sequence in that question. So I am taking only one sequence. This is the difficult sequence it was given. So now when you have such sequences where you cannot find the nth term by just looking at the sequence, you have to find out the common difference until by going step by step. So the first step, when I see the difference between these two numbers, it is 1, and these two numbers is 7. And these two numbers is 19, and these two numbers is 37. Then next again find out the difference. This is 6, this is 12, and this is 18. Next again the difference 6 and 6. So you have seen here, now we got the common difference. When you see the number of steps here, first step, second step, and third step, so that means this is a cubic sequence. So write down the cubic sequence general form. A n is equal to a n cube plus b n square plus c n plus d. This is the general form. Now we need taking the first, second, third terms, we will make equations for each by substituting n values as 1, 2 and 3 and make equations. So for a1 we can say that it is a into 1 cube plus b into 1 square plus c into 1 plus d will be the first term, that is -1. So when you solve it, you get a plus b plus c plus d is equal to -1, which is equation 1. Now we'll take a2. For a2 we'll take in place of n 2. So it will be a into 2 cube b plus b into 2 square plus c into 2 plus d, that is equal to a 2 cube is 8a plus 4b plus 2c plus d is equal to, that is 0, which was given as second term. This is equation 2. Then next we will take a3, find a3. So in the place of n it will be 3. So a into 3 cube plus b into 3 square plus c into 3 plus d. So this will be 3 into 3 into 3 is 27a plus 3 into 3 9b plus 3c plus d, that is equal to 7, which is equation 3. Then a4 can take equation 4 also here by substituting the value of n as 4. So a into 4 cube plus b into 4 square a into 4 cube plus b into 4 square plus c into 4 plus d. So this is 4 into 4 into 4 is 64a plus 16b plus 4c plus d is equal to 26, which is equation 4. Now after getting equation 4 equations, we can find out equation 5 by solving any two equations and make 5 and 6, equation 5 and 6. So now we can do equation 2 minus 1. So when you do equation 2 minus 1, it will be 8a minus a, that is 7a, 4b minus b, that is 3b, 2c minus c, that is c, and d minus d is cancelled, and 0 minus of minus 1 becomes 1. This is equation 5. Then we'll do equation 4 minus equation 3. Equation 4 minus 3. 64 minus, no, we can do equation 3 minus 2. Equation 3 minus 2 will be 27 minus 8, that is 19a. 9b minus 4b will be 5b, plus 5b, sorry. 3c minus 2c is plus c, and again d minus d is gone. Then 7 minus 0 is 7, which is equation 6. Now we'll do equation now we'll make again one more equation by doing equation 4 minus 3. On equation 4 minus 3, you can do 64 minus 27, which is 37a, plus 16b minus 9b is 7b, plus 4c minus 3c is again c, and d minus d got cancelled. 26 minus 7 becomes 19, which is equation 7. Now we can take these three equations and cancel out c by doing any two equation subtraction. So we'll do equation 6 minus 5. So if I do 6 minus 5, 90 minus 7 becomes 12a, and 5b plus 3b will be 2b, and c minus c gets cancelled. 7 minus 1 is equal to 6. This is equation 8. Then we can do equation 7 minus 6. So 37 minus 19 is 18a, plus 7b plus 5b is 2b, and c is gone again, c minus c is gone. Then we'll do 2b is equal to 19 minus 7, that is 12. So this is equation 9. Now here again we got two equations where we can cancel 2b and get the a value. So do equation 9 minus 8. If you do equation 9 minus 8, we get 18 minus 12 is 6a, 2b gets cancelled, and 12 minus 6 is 6, which means a is equal to 6 by 6, which is 1. Now we got the value of a. Now we need to find more b, c values. So now we will substitute this a value in any one of these equations, 8 and 9. So substitute in equation 8. So if I take 12 into 1 plus 2b is equal to 6, it is 12 plus 2b is equal to 6. Bringing 12 on the other side, we get 2b is equal to 6 minus 12, and 2b is equal to minus 6, which is b is equal to minus 6 by 2, which is minus 3. Now we got a value and b value, a and b. Now we can substitute in any one of the equation which has a, b and c. So let us take equation 5, which is simple. 7b plus 3b plus c is equal to 1. 7a, equation 5, substituting a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 3. So 7 into 1 plus 3 into minus 3 plus c is equal to 1. 7 minus 9 plus c is equal to 1. 7 minus 9 is minus 2. So minus 2 plus c is equal to 1. C is equal to 1 plus 2, which is 3. So now we got even c also. Now we need d value. So we can take equation 1 for d value. So equation 1 is a plus b plus c plus d is equal to minus 1. Substituting a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 3, c is equal to 3 in equation 1. So a is 1. So 1 plus minus 3 plus 3 plus b is equal to 1. 1 minus 3 is minus 2, minus 2 plus 3 is, okay, let me write this step, minus 1, sorry, minus 1. So 3 minus 2 is 1 again, so 1 plus d is equal to minus 1, d is equal to minus 1 plus 1, minus 1 minus 1, when it comes on the right side it is minus 1, so it is minus 2. So we got D value. So that means now we got A value, B value and C value. A is 1, B is equal to minus 3, C is equal to 3, and we also got D value, which is minus 2. Put these in the general equation there. An is equal to 1 into n cube plus minus 3 into n square plus 3 into n plus minus 2. So here it becomes n cube minus 3n square plus 3n minus 2 is the nth term of this sequence.